Alright, G2 recently announced their 2020 summer season jersey, and well, the fans are not having it. This guy said that guy said that, and well, that guy said, you got the point. If you don't know G2, it is one of the biggest European esports organizations. The jersey announced was so disappointing to fans that the CEO himself announced that they will redesign it ASAP. Me reading this, I thought,
challenge accepted.
I recently got into design and Photoshop and I wanted to give this a try. First jersey, let's go. First and foremost, I wanted to complete a black jersey with all the sponsor logos. My Photoshop crashed when I was almost done, had to start over. Here it is. Now, the design. I want to tell a story through this jersey, so I did some research on the brand, its vibe, its colors, etc. And on their Twitter banner, they have a really cool samurai/ninja character that draws the A, and some smoke around him. I love that idea. I wanted the same style on the jersey. Google how to create smoke on Photoshop. This guy taught me how to add smoke to a train. It wasn't it. Searched again and found a free brush for smoke. Downloaded it and started messing around it. Made this, then this, touched the sleeve a bit to finally make it all white so it looks like the smoke is coming from it. The front was done. Finished up the back, played around some fun for the gamer tag. I'm Zonara, by the way. Stick with the classic Arial font, finished the last details on the jersey, made a presentation image for swipe points. Done.